Good morning, dear class 9 students. Dear students, we will continue the same chapter, that is chapter 2, the Vedic period. And today, through this video, I will be explaining to you the archaeological sources. So, before we go to the point, let us first understand the meaning of archaeological. Archaeological means the old materials, old potteries, old buildings, or old coins which were discovered by the historians after digging the underground for the purpose of studying the Vedic period and the life of the Aryans and their cultures. So these all tools, they give us ample information about the Vedic people. Vedic people means about the Aryans, their lifestyle, their trade and business, their culture, their weapons, everything we come to know through this archaeological source. So let us now come to the point and begin with the first point, that is iron artifacts. Iron artifacts means the iron tools which have been discovered by the historians, and these all iron tools have helped in the progress of civilizations, in the progress of the people. So when we talk about our country, about India, the Iron Age began in 1000 BC. The village farming communities gradually spread, and then after the discovery of iron in India in 1000 BC, we could see the settlement of village. We could see the people settled in a particular places, and then the communities spread in different parts of the country. Now we come to the next one, and basically these all communities were spread in Gangetic Plain and Peninsula South. Iron was a hardened material or a metal, as it is said, than the copper. Copper is quite softer than the iron, and what it says that it was cheap and available in plenty. So iron was found in very cheap rate, or we call cheaply it is found, and it was available in the underground in a huge amount. The iron deposits were found over large area, and the iron ores were found under the ground in a huge amount of number, or in a big number. It was used in the following areas. So the iron tools were used basically for certain occupations or certain works. So let us see first their culture. The discovery of iron gave the iron's new implements like axe. Axe means we in Hindi call as a kulhadi to clear the forest and cultivate the lands. So these all axes were used to first of all clear the forest, jungles, and the Aryans prepared these all jungle lands or the forest lands for the cultivation. Thus agriculture became their important occupations, though Aryans' occupation was mainly their culture at the time. With the use of iron plowhead, you all know that this particular plowhead is used for plowing the ground, and sickle is actually used for harvesting the paddy. In Hindi it is called haswa. And hose actually are the spade, or in Hindi we call it as kudal. So these types of iron tools were made by the Aryans for the agriculture work. They could bring vast tracts of land under the cultivation, and then by using these all iron tools, now Aran could prepare a huge ground for the cultivation. The production of more rice, wheat, barley, vegetable, and the fruit improved their standard of living. So this was the main crops grown by the Aryans at the time, and then slowly after cultivating these all, we could see that their life standard, or we call the lifestyle, slowly developed, improved day by day. Now let us talk to the second point, that is occupation. The use of iron gave rise to new trades by providing durable implementation like saw. Dear students, I have made the picture of saw in the book itself. In Hindi it is called Ari, chisel, hammer, nail, and tongs. These all were basically made by the early people, or we call the Aryans. So these all tools are very much helpful for the people to do their personal work. Now this gave rise to occupations such as weaving. These all tools also have supported the Aryans to make to do the weaving work, spinning, carpentry, tanning, and tool making. Number three, defense. So these all Aryan tools also are used for defense purpose. Like iron was extensively used in making weapons like sword, armor, and then the shield. So the students, in the first video we will discuss up to this point, and then there's another video which I'll be uploading to you just now. Thank you.